The Logitech K845 Mechanical Keyboard combines a sleek aluminum design with robust mechanical features for a premium typing experience. With adjustable tilt legs, this keyboard allows you to type comfortably for extended periods. The choice of red, blue, or brown switches provides varying levels of sound and tactile feedback to suit different preferences. Its 5 backlighting options enable users to customize their typing environment, even in low light conditions. The keyboard's durable construction includes long-life switches and molded characters, ensuring longevity and reliability. Despite its full-size layout with a number pad, the keyboard maintains a surprisingly compact footprint.